Hello guys, today I'm working on a 2015 Chevy Tahoe. I am replacing the key fob cases or key fob shell. I already did this one, so I'll show you how to do the next one here. So all you gotta do on the side of the key fob, there's a button that you gotta push so you can pull the key out. After that, it's kind of hard, but you gotta pull it apart so you can open it. Once it's open, I decided to keep the bottom part of it where the Chevy emblem is, because it has some numbers inside the key fob, so I'm not sure it'll be good for the person that buys this vehicle. So I'll leave that inside, and I think it was like $14 for both key fob cases. So same thing for this one. You push the button here, you pull the key out, pull it apart. If I can, there it is. So once it's off, once it's out, just gotta put this one back in there. And put the key in. That's about it. So this is what I got. It's two key fob cases for $14.99 on eBay.